Hello, my sisters today. My sister is a model for middle-aged people. Here's the neck, normal hand and push the button. There will be a part waist to create accents for the body. And the one on the vertical and the one on the bottom is the miniskirt. This model is classic. It is simple but very beautiful and elegant. We're going to design this template together today. If this is the material, you can say that this is foam or linen. Well, or it's hard stuff. It will look better on this model. Now we will template design. This model, it's going over the knee, is 10 millimeters of gasoline. Measure by the length of your body. 7, 5, 89, 10, depending on the length of the body. Then we'll cross a line. Then you'll take the shoulder piece. The shoulder is divided by 2. That's equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. You'll get it from the outside. I took it to 16 and then lowered it to 4. Into her, you marry her. Dividing the year is equal to 30 divided by 5. 6 hectares and then from outside you take it. 6 connect this point. Now lower your breasts and you will take them. Divide by 5 and you add by 2. Then we'll calculate it from here. 80 divided by 5 plus 2, you get 18. I took the number 18. Then you build a perpendicular line. You will divide the chest by 4 plus 2. 280 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a root of 22. Then lower the waist, and we'll take a path down the waist. 35. Then you'll build a perpendicular line. If you lower your waist, we will take this part, ladies, this paragraph. Then we'll get the way. Your ass is 18. I'll measure from the waist to the largest part of the butt. Then we'll get our ass down. Then you get your ass divided by 4. U plus 1. Butt is 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. At the waist, you divide the waist by 4. You add to parts Ben. If the waist is 6 quadrants divided by 4 plus 2, we get 18. Now I'm going to get 21 out of here. It took me 18 hours to connect this point. Common. This is a dress, ladies. Make a perpendicular line down and 2 inches from here. I will paint for you. The hybrid part, huh? First, we go down 2. In the back, you go. When you are done, you will. Done for the part. The front body is perpendicular back to gasoline. Then split it in half, split it in half again. Well, we'll draw the part. Armpit line here. And here's the neck of the boat, so from here, you're going to get gas. I connected it straight down here to 6 petrol to build a perpendicular line. And this shirt, ladies? I'll have a button. So after I painted the body, before like this, ladies, remember that I will have a button. Now I'm going to adjust the body first. You'll come up here and give me to gas. Draw the body after the red line. Get back here, give me 7. Splice below a fraction. And from the buttocks of the body later the sisters ra. Then we'll get the part. Follow the red line and we will cut this sideways. In this way you will cut the front of the back. Same shirt form. But this previous body you should note. I will have a. It's a non-stop road. So you've got to line this way in for me. Come here, give me 1.5 inches. Then the sisters continue. One more is 2 inches. After you have finished writing, from these 2 pieces, you split them in half. I split in 2. Then you put the body back together. That's what we just designed. Let it lie here. It's in the split. You just cut it. When you cut it all, then we'll cut the back first. Follow the red line, the back. Follow the red line. It's red, it's red. And we cut this way. And the more like parts later cut this way. And on this shirt, there's a vertical bend. So you're going to design the vertical bend by being. You will a. This is the midway point. Back up, give me 8. Then I split it in 2. Down to 16, and how this is for is that you'll be able to paint the room that's being painted. And the part. The back body is up here. Here you go, give me 3 glasses. On this side, you will. Back up, give me 1/4. Then we're going to be able to draw a back line. Then our shirt will be hugged better. Here, he's drawn the dorsal spine of the back. Now you're watching me cut a piece of Arabic before and after I cut it together. 2 classes. I'll adjust the body later. There is no seam in this style. Remember to leave the seams for me. And note, these are the numbers 32, 30 here, 80, 80. 6 months, 80 is the number that changes according to the body. So each of you will have a different measurement. You're substituting that number into this formula. Then we will get what? It is wrong to wear the right clothes according to your body. Please note that I will replace those numbers. This theater is cut without seams. If you cut the seams, you have to leave the seams in. Then we will get a. Here's the back body, and it's on top. You guys before you cut. and then you'll see the sign. The front body across the waist for you. Stomach. And we're going to go over this shoulder. Mark the old part. Then you sign like this. That's it. Now we're going to get the body. Then we cut the back. She's got shoulders, armpits. Let's reduce the back chest, ladies. And the back hip, we leave it there. This line you will cross. Then we cut one more line, that's the spine line. Cut off the road. This will be the back of the shirt. Later you will cut me to pieces, because this is the back road. Well, we'll sew a zipper bottle here, so we need to have to pieces. The back body is finished. Now we're going to cut and adjust the body first. Before that, you will cut it down. The old part. The shoulder. An armpit line. The body will be smaller than the armpit line. Then we'll cut it down to 7. And the buttocks of the body, it will be smaller than your butt. Then there's a gasoline. So you're also going to cut out some gas. Then, now we're going to get this part, which is the first part. Have some gasoline, ladies. It's here. It's in here. We'll install the button. Out here, you'll put buttons. It's like the shirt. Then we're done for this model. This will be the body first. Body before this sister multiplied for 2. Well, the model that it has a front body like this. Can you check the zipper? Check the zipper, but you still have to cut this part of your back. Let the shirt you wear on it. Hold it beautifully on your back. And then we'll draw for the sleeves. My sleeve measures 20 to armpits. I can measure 22, and I can measure 22. So after you measure the armpit ring, then before or after. So what we're going to do is cut off the sleeve. Here, you will lower your breasts, is equal to the chest divided by 10 sisters plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is 13. Come down from here, and I'll give you 13. Make a perpendicular line. And we just took part 2. 2 just measured of the previous body, and 2 just measured of the back body. If we add 22 to 22, we get 4 for 2 is equal to 22. I took the last 20 to ha and put it at the bottom. Then you're going to take this head and put it down. On the corner. That's 20 to corners. I split it in 2. We'll draw the armpit line. Here you're up 2 inches. Here you're down 1 inch. Long sleeved here the sister takes 33. Then you take it. Let me here be equal to 13. This is according to the part. My wrist ha my biceps ha. For example, your long arm. It's 33 hands long. On the right side, you will turn the ruler. Turn the ruler. You turn it in. Let's measure the size of the wrist. It's going to be here. So here's how that we're going to design for this Arabic model. And you look back. Once again, my whole shirt today. This is spun. Your sleeves if you cut them first. Cut it down. Give me a piece. This will be the front hand. This will be the back hand. My theater model is sleeve included, front body and back body. So now I'm going to talk about how to be lucky. The steps to sew are easy for you to imagine. The first step is that you will be lucky. We have a splint like this, ladies. Take a drink here so that we can have a seam on the body. After you keep it, a glass of sugar, then we'll sew you a shoulder. After sewing the shoulder, then you'll open it and we'll iron it. If it's done, we'll get the part. Front body and back body. It's all shoulder. Just like this, you start working. Is that we're going to cut the splint on the glue and we put glue on the fabric. And you sew it into the collar. Sewing brace for collar section. When it is done, we will proceed. Is that we sew the sleeve into the body. Here we will sew the sleeve into the body like this. Then after you sew the sleeve into the body, so we're going to start the process. Put the reverse part of the flank, you will sew the flank line with ribs on the body and the sleeve. When we carry, if it's in the body, the side is here. Please sew this arm over here. Then you'll sew the half blood. And we're going to sew the hybrid. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to end up on this part of the body. And remember for me the side. We will be lucky first. Before we're done with the splint. We may bend and may rib, you note? Then I just finished giving my sisters the way we do it for this model. If anything is not clear, you will have a comment below. Watch and reply to your comments. If you like this model, I can't figure out how to cut. Then comment below. I will watch and support you. Practice on cloth if there are many requirements. And I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you all.